The talking microwave oven serves as a quintessential example of the quirky designs from the 80s, merging technology with personality. However, it did not achieve household staple status, largely due to its high costs. In contrast, many gadgets from the 80s have become mere relics over time. As technology advanced, the focus shifted towards efficiency and affordability, overshadowing the earlier whimsical features. During this era, personal home robots emerged with promises of transforming household chores. Yet, they often fell short of their lofty claims, remaining a luxury item for many families. The automatic egg cooker, a popular kitchen gadget, aimed to simplify egg preparation through its user-friendly design. Nonetheless, it never reached the status of a widespread kitchen essential. Throughout the 1980s, fax machines evolved from luxury items for businesses into vital tools in various professional settings. Although their prevalence has declined, they retain significance in fields where secure communication is paramount. In the same vein, the portable electric shoe polisher gained traction in the 1980s, providing a convenient method for maintaining footwear. However, shifts in fashion trends and lifestyle changes contributed to its decline. Electric butter melters also emerged in this decade, created to ease the process of softening butter. While they symbolized kitchen sophistication, they gradually faded into obscurity with the rise of modern cooking technology. As multi-purpose appliances have become more prevalent, the necessity for single-function gadgets has diminished. Consumers today favor tools that can efficiently handle multiple cooking tasks. Fondue forks, once a staple at social gatherings in the 1980s, became icons of culinary trends. Their popularity waned as entertainment preferences evolved alongside new cooking methods. Electric knife sharpeners rose to prominence in the 1980s, offering chefs and aspiring cooks a dependable way to maintain their knives. This innovation represented a significant leap in culinary technology. As the early 2000s approached, a transformation occurred, shifting from traditional personal organizers to multifunctional gadgets capable of emailing and internet browsing. This transition greatly enhanced daily efficiency and connectivity. Today's electric sharpeners prioritize user-friendliness, allowing anyone to sharpen knives with just a button press. They also provide customizable options tailored to various sharpening needs. Electric jar openers gained traction in the 80s, catering to individuals with mobility challenges or arthritis. However, their usage declined as jar designs and kitchen technologies improved. Meanwhile, automatic plant watering systems emerged as moderately priced luxuries, ensuring consistent moisture for busy homeowners. Their adoption dwindled in subsequent years due to changing lifestyles and environmental considerations. In the 80s, remote-controlled window blinds epitomized modern convenience, granting users effortless control over light. Nevertheless, high costs hindered widespread adoption among average consumers. Today, remote-controlled window blinds have become less common as smart blinds integrate with home automation and voice control features, significantly enhancing user convenience and experience. Digital alarm clocks with weather forecasting found popularity in the 1980s, combining timekeeping and real-time weather updates for effortless planning. However, the emergence of smartphones and smart home devices in the 21st century diminished the appeal of standalone digital alarm clocks, rendering them relics of a bygone era.